Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, GBP USD, etc. So in this video I'll be recommending 5 to 6 stocks for 9th March 2021 Tuesday. So this video is for Tuesday only. I'll be coming again tomorrow with tomorrow's analysis. Okay, so let's jump to the chart. So the first stock for the day is TC Energy, and you can see that the current market price or the last traded price of TC Energy or TRP is 57.89. It made a low of 56.59. There was a support here, and it took support, and from there it bounced. Okay, there was good price rejection. You can see, just look at the candle. Okay, and there is a resistance at 57.9. It tried to cross the resistance but it failed, and ultimately it just closed below the daily resistance. Okay, so what should be your strategy for the day? Your strategy for the day is simple. Just wait for the stock. Okay, just wait for the stock to cross this level. Okay. if market opens gap up if market opens gap up and if you see that the stock is trading above 57.9 or 58 level, okay, just wait for 30 minutes. Okay, and after that, if you see that market is in uptrend and the trend is in your favor, you can go for a buy. And if the stock opens below 57.9 level, okay, there is a resistance at 57.9, so just wait for the stock to cross the level. Okay, if it breaks the daily resistance, then just wait for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, let the stock feel comfortable above the level. Let the stock trade nicely. Let the resistance become the support, then only you should go for a buy order. Okay, so 57.9 is the crucial level for TC Energy for 9th March. So the next stock for the day is Royal Bank of Canada, RY. Okay, for RY you can see that the last traded price was 114.49 and it just closed at the daily resistance. Okay, and it's a very good sign. Okay, so 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 if you get RY today trading above 114.5 level, okay, RY above 114.5 level, and if the trend is in your favor, it's a buy. The next stock for the day is TD, Toronto Dominion Bank. You can see that overall trend of the stock is very beautiful. Okay, there is no doubt that behind the stock is trading beautifully and the stock is in uptrend. Okay, the stock is in clear uptrend in the daily chart. And the last traded price of the stock is 80.79. Okay, you can see that the stock tried a little to cross the daily resistance, which was at 81.17. Okay, but the stock ultimately settled below the daily resistance. Okay, this is the level. So what should be your strategy for the day? Your strategy is, if the stock opens above 81.16 level, then just wait for 25-30 minutes, then go for a buy. And if the stock opens below 81.16 level, then just wait for the stock to give a breakout. In case the stock breaks gives a give a breakout or breaks out the level, okay, just wait for the stock uh, to to trade comfortably or sustain above the resistance level. Okay, let the stock uh, trade nicely for at least 30 minutes. Okay, let the resistance become the support, then only you should go for a buy order. Okay, so this is the level for today. But if you have this stock in your portfolio for long term, then you can keep on holding, because overall trend of the stock is very good and it's a very good stock. Okay, if you are having this stock in your portfolio for long term, keep on holding. Okay, my analysis is for today only. So the next stock for the day is Bank of Montreal. This is another beautiful stock for long term. Okay. So you can see that Bank of Montreal, okay, it made a high of 109.59 and ultimately closed at 108.89. So your strategy for the day is, If you get the stock, if you get the stock above 109.6 level, go for a buy order, and your target will be this 110.9. This is your target. So only buy above 109.6 level. Okay. And if in case the trend is towards the downside, okay, if you get a stock below 108.2 level, okay, and if there is some good selling pressure, then you can short the stock, okay. But shorting the stock, I would not recommend, because overall trend of the stock is up, okay. So if you're beginner, then only look for buying opportunities in Bank of Montreal. Okay. If you've got some experience, then it's a different chapter. Okay. Then you can go for some risk. Otherwise, avoid. Only go for buy orders above 109.6. So next stock for the day is Cdn Natural. For Cdn Natural, you can see that day before yesterday it made a spinning top kind of a pattern, and if you remember, then I told you the spinning top signifies indecision in the market. So whenever we spot a spinning top, the market can either go up or down, we never know. And we can see that after that, market opened at the daily resistance and ultimately started coming down and ultimately closed at 38.60. So if you get the stock, okay, if you get CDN natural below 38.4 level today, and if you see that yesterday's selling pressure is still there in the market, you can short the stock. Okay, you can short the stock. Your ultimate target will be 37.2. Okay. The- So the next stock is Intact Financial Corporation. You can see that Intact Financial Corporation, or IFC, has made a big bullish candle, a big bullish candle, and it has beautifully closed above the daily resistance, which is a very good sign, and ultimately closed at 153.86. Okay, so what should be your strategy for the day? Your strategy for the day here is, if you get the stock above this level, 153.86 level, okay, and if the trend is in your favor, and if you see that the buying pressure, or the this party of the bulls is still on, okay, then you can go for a buy order above 153.86 or 154.67. Okay. If you are an aggressive trader, then you can buy buy right away. But if you want a safe kind of a trade, then buy above 154.50 level. Okay, so this is the simple strategy for IFC. Okay, Baha. If you get the stock above 153.86, if you are an aggressive trader, you can go for a buy order. And if you're looking for a safer position or safer entry, okay, then I'll recommend to enter above 154.50. And just do not forget, do not go against the trend. If the market is in downtrend, then be careful. Okay. So these are the stocks that you can watch on 9th March 2021 Tuesday. So hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. I always bring analysis just before the market opens so that you get to stay ahead of the market. And if you have watched my previous videos, then hopefully you are making good money. And if you're new to the channel, you can also backtest the data or my previous videos and check how the analysis works. Okay, and then you can decide whether you should subscribe the channel or not. Thank you so much and good luck.